now, I've been waiting. Ooh, yeah. Been a long time coming, baby. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Come closer, please. Ain't gotta rush, no, no. We're holding the pieces. Let's build it up.
Been more than distant, I'm the one to blame. I'm a bigger picture person, but I tend to stay inside my frame. Tend to stay inside my room, working some nights 10 to 2, making moves to making tunes. But I know I should've made time for you. Remember late night talks, without this to do? We were small town kids, without this to lose. You were always there to pick me up when my times were getting rough. Someone I could go to and trust. Hit the ground and you patched me up. Years later, and I still ain't met another girl like you. When we talked the other day, got off the phone like nothing changed. Ain't it crazy? Years later, still feels the same. What we had is still ignited. We just need to fan the flame.
In a day now, I've been waiting. Ooh, yeah. Been a long time coming, baby. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Come closer, please. Ain't gotta rush, no, no. We're holding the pieces. Let's build it up.
I'm not quite sure what will happen. Both our lives are on quite a rise while chasing after passion. No, I kept my heart distracted. Since you, every love is passive. Sorry if I tried to mask it. I was distant, it was tragic. When you left, you're all that I thought about. When you came back, I can't believe I kept you out.
I'm forever doing this, making a vlog and then forgetting that I made a vlog, and then forgetting to edit the vlog and not upload the vlog because I forgot the vlog. Don't do that. If you're gonna become a vlogger, make sure you don't have forgetful memory like I do. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and peace out.
Been a long time coming, baby. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wait, you thought the vlog was over, but it actually isn't. And this vlog's been short, I know. I realise that while editing it, and I was going to talk about this in tomorrow's vlog, but I thought I have a little extra time to spare. I'm going to tell you now. So, vlogs, they have changed a lot. New edition, like, my vlogs are censored now. I can say fuck, but you guys won't hear it in the edit. And that's just because of YouTube and advertiser friendly content. Thank you, YouTube. But it also has brought a lot out of me. And I just want to quickly point out something. And this is the major part. This is the title of the video and the whole title of the video. I'm quitting smoking to get a dog. Yes. I'm most likely going to get a dog soon. And to do that, I'm giving up smoking. I'm going to have to blur that out because I'm not allowed to show tobacco in my videos. But I am quitting smoking, guys. I just want to, hopefully you guys help me on this journey. I will quit as soon as I get a dog. If you're wondering what dog I'm getting, hopefully, fingers crossed, German Shepherd, crossed with an Akita. Thank you guys, and carry on the credit.